In this video, I want to show you how to convert polygon to line in ArcGIS. This is important, especially when you want to traverse a property. You want to traverse along the boundaries of a property for field mapping purpose. So let me show you how to convert the polygon to line and also how to calculate the total length of the boundary of the property. For example, in ArcGIS, I have this farmland, and this farmland covers a very big area. If, for example, we want to traverse along the boundaries of this farmland or property, and also we want to have the idea of the total length it will take us to cover the edges or boundary of this farmland, let me show you how to do it quickly by converting it to line and calculate the length. To do that, I can change this to hollow, and I can change the color to red and click on OK. So to convert it to line, come to Toolbox, then come to Data Management Tool, and then come to Features. Then you can see Polygon to line. Double click to open the tool. Then here, the input feature, click here and select the feature. And our output feature, let's navigate to our working folder. Let's just call it farm_line. And then click on save and click on OK. So this will convert this polygon to a linear feature. Yes, it is done. I can uncheck this, though it may still look like a polygon in appearance. However, it has been converted to line. Now, if I right click and open the attributes table, you can see that we have a polyline. Now, to calculate the length, what we need to do is to add a new field. So to do that, click on table option and click on add field. Then let's call it length. And then the type will be double. Then click on OK. Now to calculate the length, right click here and click on calculate geometry. Click yes. Then the property we want to calculate is length, and the unit of calculation will be in kilometer or any unit of your choice. Then click on OK. Click yes. So you can see I have 420 kilometers here. So that implies that the total length of traversing along the boundary of this property or farmland is about 420 kilometers. So you can see the application of this technique, converting polygon to line. If you have any question or clarification, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.